All right. This is for Tanya, Joe, and Jonathan. This is the mini for the Packer Pick one. We'll check the time here. It's January 8th at 8:04 p.m. We'll go over to the mini and type live. We're gonna have two of you three are gonna win here. So we've got January 8th at 8:04 p.m. Everybody's all paid up. So we've got 14 spots. We're looking for the top two. We're gonna need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not gonna work. That'll work 6 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looking for the top two. Here we go. Good luck. It is Tanya with 5 spots, and Jonathan, you'll get the remaining 2. So that's it for the mini. Again, January 8th at 8:04 p.m. There's our timestamp verification code, and that's it. So Tanya, you get 5. Let me know which 5 you want, and we'll fill Jonathan's other 2 in, and we'll get the main run and find a winner. That's it. Thanks.